to you with another video. Right now I'm cooking. All is said and done. But you guys, I'm getting ready to make a video for you all. I'm going to be editing it and let you know how my day went. I'm making a recipe called sausage spaghetti because I've been kind of staying away from red meat. And it's sausages with spaghetti, basically just switching up the meat. Bell pepper, onions, whatever. But while I'm cooking, y'all, I seen an Argo container like, oh my God. I wanted to eat it, but I'm thinking it's too much going on in the world. I need my health. I need my energy. So I got to keep on going. But anyway, with that aside, let's just go ahead on with the video. Let me show y'all what happened today. Y'all, look at this. It's raining. I'm about to come back and show y'all some more.
Said, no one owes you or your family anything, nor is the local government responsibility to support you during times of this. Sink or swim, it's your choice. The city and county, along with power providers and any other service, owes you nothing. I'm sick and tired of people looking for damn handouts. If you don't have electricity, you step up and come up with a game plan to keep your family warm.
Dang.
If you have no water,
the ditches is frozen.
And think outside of the box to survive and supply water to your family. If you are sitting at home and in the cold because you have no power, and are sitting there waiting on someone to come rescue you because you're being lazy, a direct result of your raising. Only the strong will survive and the weak will perish. Folks, God has given us the tools to support ourselves in times like this. This is sadly a product of socialist government where they feed people and believe that a few will work and others will become dependent for handouts. Am I sorry that you have been dealing without electricity and water? Yes. But I'd be damned if I'm going to provide for anyone that is capable of doing it themselves. We have lost sight of those in need and those that take advantage of the system and mesh them into one group. Bottom line, quit crying and looking for a handout. Get off your butt and take care of your own family. You'll be a part of the problem, be a part of the solution. The dollar stuff first. Let's just see if the dollars look like.
Do they got air over there?
Yeah, they got air. You got pulling that little thing.
I came back up.
Nah, but you know you got pulling that little drive-through area for the air. The dollar store is a one-stop shop. Let me meet you halfway.
Like this weather is off the chain. Like, y'all gotta see this. Hold up, let me let y'all see this. Oh, yo, ain't no salt or whatever, so you just gotta get out and figure out how to get through this. You know, we had stuff to do. I'm gonna have to put some air in that tire. Hold up, put some air in my tire. All right, guys, so I'm waiting on my daughter to come out the store. She needed to get some stuff for the babies and for the house. We needed toilet paper. People just walking around slipping and sliding. Y'all, this is the parking lot at the dollar store at all. It's all slush. Everything gonna be all right, guys. Whatever city and state that you live in, we all under fire right now. The winter time is not playing. And honestly, I feel like the snow and the ice is gonna killing the germs on the ground. You know, we need a reset. We need a reset on the land. So it is what it is, and it's definitely gonna be better weather days coming. All right, guys, so I made it home. It was horrible. My tire is low. So right now I'm gonna go put some air in because I can't afford to wake up with no air in my tire, and my tire is totally flat. It's not really like, oh my God. It is in the city, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know a couple people who do put air in tires or whatever, but you just gotta really depend on yourself, you know what I'm saying? And it's like today, out of all the days, like, why is my tire low? But I know it's because of the snow. I had to get up out of getting from being stuck, you know. And I really gotta get some air in my tires, so I'm gonna go back out, y'all. But I had to make sure I got all the stuff back here to the kids. So, boom, I'm about to go put some air in my tires. Big dog, big dog, big dog. I'm back in the car. I'm getting ready to dash out of here. So, Okay, so we're going to, it's nothing but slush. It's just like nasty. It's hard on the tires, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna have to probably invest in some new tires, because my tire's not bald. It's just boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. It's boom, 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 boom. You know, it's hard to.
I guess
We're gonna go that way.
she's staying. She in the middle.
We gonna pick up my daughter friend, kind of like my goddaughter, her son, because he's stuck in the at somebody's house, and it's like my daughter like, Mom, we gotta help her. And I'm like, all right, so we gonna go. Where's she at? See, open the door. Look at all of that water, and y'all can see how tall that is. That water, look at all that water. It's opening up the door. It's nothing but ice and mango. I got my heat on, guys.
Whoever stayed there, that's
Because I am on my way to get the air. I can feel the air pressure just getting lower and lower. I can feel the air pressure just lower and lower. I'm about to get out, undo this thing. My daughter here helping me. It's this tire right here. So first thing I gotta do is unscrew it. Woo. I don't know if y'all can see me unscrew it. It was alright. Oh shit.
Is it? Why do you push down? There you go. I think the DMV just called me back. I don't even care. My license spinning. Is the tire going up? No, I ain't see it going down. Going up. So you see it?
No, it's water going down my butt.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh. You see it going up, Penny?
Yeah, I guess so.
Alright, guys, we got action. I put the air in the tire. It's gone off of the dash, and now on the way to do our thing. Yeah, I can feel the car just sitting up level now, and making sure I have.
That whole thing was up under ice.
I seen you pulling it literally up under ice. I left it just like that. Hopefully somebody can just come and get it if they. One thing I know for sure is that right here. One thing for sure is that a lot of people don't know that when you're stuck in the snow and stuff, your tires play a big part in everything. So, woo. I get stuck right here, but I want to be, because if I get stuck, I'm getting out. We got action. All right, guys, we got action. We are on the road now, guys. We are on the road, yes. And we are going. This is like water over here. Hopefully my whole lot of piles of water and snow and ice, but I'm good. My tires are good. My car is functioning properly. I just gotta get some gas now. Yes.
Nobody's on the road will be easy, and I can't believe we want to live to it.
Right now, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Y'all not talking to me. Alright, we're gonna make it back safe. Peace. Okay, guys. So we stopped at the store, but I'm happy that we got him and everything okay. We're at a little store, just picking up some more things. I got on 2 pairs of pants. Y'all just take my word for it. I got on like 3 shirts, but I'm all wet. I'm wet. My bonnet is wet, and it's just bad out here. That's how it looks when you. And it's just bad. It's icy. I do what we gotta do. Stick together, help each other. It's so awesome to have my daughter here with me. She is such a rare gem.
Just flickered in there.
Okay. Look at her. Everything. Toilet paper.
But I'm happy we got the little acetaminophen.
Yeah, just in case the kids get fevers, because you just never know. Alright, guys, I'm about to get out here back on the road. I'm about to go that way. Y'all can see that. I'm about to go this way. Look at the trees. The trees are full of ice. Yep, it's ice on the trees. This is bad. Icicles. Look at that. Ooh, they look kind of pretty though. Look at the colors. Alright guys, nothing but open road. We got this no matter what. we should start our own company. We should get paid to do this because this is what I like to do. This is what I do. I like to drive. Yes. Look at this. Covers on their car. They about to cut the power off. They said they gonna cut the power off because they want to save energy for everybody, so they gonna cut the power off anyway. So y'all, I'm getting some gas. I'm not about to be out here like this. Even the EMS truck is solid frozen solid. Because the birds are cold. Tissue. Hey, baby. Thank you. Y'all, I'm so happy to be home. Had to use the bathroom. Here, because they said they about to cut the lights out. So I'm home. We home. Take all this off. Alright, guys, so we don't have any lights. And that's it. Lights out. Y'all know I'm gonna pray. And I know we gonna make it through this. I don't know when the lights will be back on, but I'm gonna be coming back to you with another video. Stay blessed and everybody take care.